Morning, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're doing a 10K generator ONAN Spec C, Spec B down here. That's what's important too when you order stuff. In general though, there's your full number, and the last of it on the model number is B. That's the same as that one. Usually, sometimes that's not there. And even it has the wiring diagram. Some of them are different, so it'll have a wiring diagram number. So this is a 10K, and what we did, we dropped the coolant here. Unfortunately, I had to go get this brass plug because somebody really messed up. This is a 1/4-inch hex drive. They messed that up, so I had to shim it a little bit, get in there. I got her out though. All right, so we'll go underneath. Okay, basically you take the panel off by that little clip right there, pull out, and it's in here. So you have to take 4 10mm bolts out of here. That'll get you to your air filter back in there. See that round hole back here? All right, so we got that. That's not why I'm actually doing this. But then you pull this out. That's where your radiator cap is and all. Okay, bleed lines. There's a bleed line. Now, a lot of you, this ain't pressurized. This usually has a little vent hole in it somewhere. Make a liar out of me this time. Okay, there it is. There's your little vent hole, right? So if it gets hot and overflows, it goes down this hose right here, all the way down. All right, but we're going underneath. Hold on here. To show you, there's the radiator, okay? And right in that hole, right there, is where this plug goes. Now, it'd be a little bit easier if it was an Allen, but I couldn't find one, so I had to do what I got to do. I'm going to put that up in there. That's the radiator right there for the 10K. Okay, that was it. That was basically how to drain that. Be careful if you don't put clean all the dirt out of that hole that goes into that plug. That's probably where the other person messed up on. It's very simple. You just take that radiator cap off up top, off the flexible hose tube that comes out underneath the coolant reservoir. This right here, okay? And then you fill it up, gravity feed, then you start it up, shut it down, check the level, fill it up, and there you go. You just keep doing that till it fills up. Don't run her, for 2 hours straight and then come check the coolant level out. All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're showing you where the drain plug was underneath. It's part of the radiator. It's built in. Be careful you don't strip it out. It's brass. Clean the hole out really good. It's a hex head. It's a 1/4-inch drive. And if you have to, you can go get one of these. It's a 3/8 square drive. I think it was at Napa. I got the part number. Hold on. There it is. So that's your part number. That's a 4MPB plug square head 315 or 3151 X4. It's a Gates. All right, and there's some other numbers right there, the barcode. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get off of here and fill that system up, and we'll move on to the next thing. All right, take care, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget about the school and the garage down here at 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Do not just show up. I'll tell you to leave. I got enough work. Schedule it, folks. Thank you very much. Take care. Safe travels. May your campfires burn bright.